Top 5 Best Bike Bell. The 5 Best Bike Bell in present time. We are going to check out 5 best bike bell quality this year. This list is my personal opinion. I try to list this best product on their price, quality, durability and many more. Number 1, ACCMO or Classic Bike Bell, Aluminum Bicycle Bell, loud crisp clear sound, price, $6.98 and free returns. Color black, right hand use, 1 pack, brand ACCMOR, material aluminum, style bike bell, classic. Number 2, Sport Out 2-pack bike bell, bicycle bell, price, $7.99 and free returns. Easy installation, bike bell fits for bicycles from 2.22 to 2.25 cm diameter handlebars or stames. Number 3, Sound.Electric Bike Horn Electronic Bicycle Bell, 100 to 120 dB waterproof, price, $13.88 and free returns. Brand Sound, design with small size and modern fashion look, built-in boost circuit with loud sound, reached 100 to 120 dB. Number 4, Rock Brothers Electra Bike Bell, 90 decibels electric cycling bells, price, $13.99 and free returns. Sound.Electric bike bell, color black, brand Rock Bros, material silicone, material. Number 5, Nagoi Bike Bell, original and Luxe styles, price, $16.99 and free returns. Brand KNOG, a new kind of ring, high-pitched ring cuts through traffic noise, while the deep harmonic adds long, clear tones. Check out the description link for more information and latest price.